Alright, well, time for a little video. I just, uh, I just found this, buckshot gun. A shotgun shell. It's just a buck. 4 grams gunpowder. And, you know, we're gonna take it apart. So, as you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's bent up a little bit. There's some gross stuff in there, just all dirty. And yeah, so it's not gonna work. So plus I wasn't even hitting it hard enough. So first we're probably gonna try to unscrew that right there like that. And of course we're playing with gunpowder, and I'm a 14-year-old boy. I found this and my mom's letting me do this. Plus my mom doesn't give a shit, so yeah. It's opening up a little bit more. There we go. It's so hard to do this for the video. Alright. We got that open. I guess this isn't a buckshot. With meaning, like, you know, just one bolt. There's a bunch of lead beads in here. There we go. I think that's opened quite enough. Now we want to take a razor blade. Go ahead and slice it off. There's beads going everywhere. Who gives a shit? YOLO! Sold. So we can see beads now. So we can see now beads are now in there. So yeah, we can grab something to put them on, or I could just dump them on my table, which that is not recommended. We could take this rubber band, just slide it down right there. Go ahead and pour these in there. Oh god, it's not working as I was planned. Anyway, okay. And there's the charge. Try to get all the beads out of there more. There we go. Okay, so we got the beads out. All the beads are right here. Nice lead beads. And to prove that they're lead beads, you can just squish one with this. There we go. I squished it. Well, let's squish it a little bit more. Now, let's compare it to regular bead. So yeah, we can melt those down and make it into an ingot, like I did with my fishing stuff. So we're just gonna push that to the side. Go ahead and take your razor blade. Go ahead and slice it down through the middle, just like so. And we're gonna do it like maybe 2 inches, like no, maybe a ½ inch further from the first cut we made, just so we can like pull this back like that. So there's the charge right there, and then here's the plastic insulator for the lead. And now we could just like slice that off, and then just go from the top and just slice all the way around. We're almost to the charge. Well, we are to the charge, but it's not physically showing yet. Here we go. We are now to the charge. So now what we want to do is carefully slice it down the middle like that to expose the charging and the powder, basically. So we're just gonna do it all the way around. Gotta to be super careful with this. I'm actually quite frightened that it will do something because I found this outside laying around. You know, you don't find those. You don't find them often. Just plain old shotgun shell, just chilling. Oh. Okay, so now we could just push this padding up a little bit. This padding right there for the charge, and we are at the gunpowder, which is right there, wrapped up in a nice little casing. I'm quite frightened. Alrighty, so time to take our pliers. Just go ahead and pull it apart. And we have now, if you see closely, if we pull this up right here, there's the gunpowder. There it is. Okay, that is 4 ounces of gunpowder. And we're just going to pour this right here. We're just going to try to empty this part out right there. Now we totally have gunpowder. We're just going to cut the rest of this off. You know, just for the hell of it, because it looks shitty. And now we have nice little metal capping right there. And if you want to know what's inside of the padding, then you could just go ahead and cut this open and pull it apart. It's just like cardboard padding. Nothing special. Oh, okay, so now we may separate. Don't ask me how I know how to do this. We now may separate our beads and our gunpowder. Make sure not to get any kind of flame toward this right now in your house, or else you're fucked. And your house is gonna burn down, but yeah. Nothing, not really a big deal. So let's get our beads together. Okay. As you could tell, I'm going to take my camera off the station, and as you could tell, they're pretty rusty beads. They're really done. See, there's some rust going on with that one right there. And yeah, I'm not sure if this gunpowder will actually do anything. I mean, it looks fine. But yeah. I mean, it feels like a liquid, like it falls straight out of my hand. See, I've never like touched gunpowder before, but I've taken apart a shotgun shell before. I don't know how to explain that to you. But yeah, here's the remainings of the shotgun shell. So, we got our beads. We got our gunpowder. Padding for the impact. The holder for all the gunpowder. And the other part of the holder for the gunpowder. So if we want to put this back together, we can just do that. Just like that. And we could put this right back onto there, and then we could just blah 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 and blah. So yeah, that's what the inside of a shotgun shell is like, if you ever wonder. But yeah. Thank you for watching. please subscribe. I am uploading a lot more videos now. If you guys like my videos, then yes, I would really like it if you guys subscribed. So, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Nick Burns is now signing out.